So guys, welcome back to this video. And in this video I'll be sharing with you 15 websites that will pay you daily within 24 hours working from home so easily, and you can do all of these things with your smartphone. So if you are sit-at-home mom or sit-at-home dad or a student that is looking for a routine job that you can do to earn extra income online for yourself, then stay to the end of this video, because the last one I'm going to share with you is a very powerful one which you must not miss. So in this video I'll be talking to you on the 15 platform you can actually use to earn money for yourself online with your smartphone, irrespective of where you are. So there's no limitation, and you are going to earn a lot from this platform. So before we get started, what is a routine job? What routine job are just a platform which allow you to do some kind of job. The vendors or the service creator will come, they will list their job, and they will look for someone who can do it. And you can do any of these things, and you can work part-time, you can work full-time. So that is what routine job is, where you go to look for kind of job that you can do routinely working from home. Are you getting me? So that is what routine job is. And in this video I'll be sharing with you those kind of platforms that can actually pay you to carry out this kind of routine job. And in this video I'll be sharing 15 of it with you, so make sure you watch this video to the end. And before we get started, with a routine platform, working with a routine platform, one thing you need to consider, you need to first of all read their terms and conditions. That is number one. And number two, you need to find out their payment method, because there is no need working for a company after working for a company and at the end of the day you cannot withdraw your earnings, so it's of no use. So one thing you need to do is know the terms and conditions and know their payment method. Their payment method, is it for you as a Nigerian to meet up? Is it what you can be able to use to withdraw your earning? That is those things you need to do. And you need to be active, be sincere whenever you are doing or rendering any job in those platforms, because if you go or if you want to claim that you are smart, you will earn and you will not be able to withdraw your money, because they are going to permanently bound your account. So it is very, very important that when you are offering your job in this platform, that you need to be sincere. Are you getting me? You need to be sincere, because this company are paying you to do this stuff, and if this is what you want, so there is no need being shady. So you need to be very open and be honest. And another thing I want you guys to also know that routine job are not going to pay you a huge amount, maybe paying $150, $500, but with routine job you can be able to earn $30 to $55 to $60 to $100, depending on what you are actually doing. So let's get started to what we have. So as you can see on the screen, we have app, which is the number one, and this particular platform, they give you access to test the AI app. They give you access to test the AI app, the software which they just developed. Where you comes in here is when you test those their software they have developed for AI, and that is all you need to do right here. And after you test these softwares, you need to give them report, write report on how the software works, how it is, and what you think about it. Are you getting me? So, and the challenges and limits that the software is face when you are testing it. So that is where this software wants you to do, and all you need to do is to go ahead and sign up an account to with this particular platform, and you get started with working from them. It's just very simple. Then number two that you can actually do, you can actually go ahead and also try, is called AngelList. AngelList, they build with founders and innovators. So what you need to do here as someone who is looking for work from home is to come in and sign up an account. Sign up an account and test run their software and give them a feedback. Are you getting me? So you test run the account, you give them the feedback, the challenges they are having with their software, and it is expected that you give a honest review, a honest answer. So this is the number two a routine platform that you can go ahead to try. Are you getting me? Majorly they focus on healthcare. They talks about healthcare. That is what they expect you to give them an answer. So healthcare, they cover about healthcare and everything that has to do with wellness. So that is what this routine platform is all about. So you can just go ahead and read more about it and explore them. Now another platform that you can get a routine job is LinkedIn. Many of us know LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, you can get a lot of routine job that you can do. So you can see on the screen right here that they have about 693 routine jobs in Nigeria. Look at it right here. 693 routine jobs in Nigeria that you can do. And you see, they have personal virtual assistants full-time. You see it. This is just posted 4 days ago. As you can see on the screen that it was just posted 4 days ago right here in Nigeria. Meaning that this company is looking for a personal virtual assistant that will work with them as a full-time. Are you getting me? And there are so many routine jobs on LinkedIn that you can do, but so many people do not know that they can get a routine job from LinkedIn. You can see another one, routine accountant, and this was posted 5 months ago. You see logistic supervisors also needed here from Lagos. It was posted 5 months ago. So on LinkedIn, you can also get a routine job that you can do as a stay-at-home mom or stay-at-home dad, or even as a student. You can get a lot of routine job that you can do from LinkedIn. Then another one we have on my system here is Crossover. Crossover is another platform where you can get a routine job that you can do right here in Nigeria. And you can work as a full-time routine job from this particular platform. Are you getting me? So all you need to do is find out if there are any services that you can offer in this particular platform and go ahead and sign up an account. You are not paying to sign up an account. They're all free. Are you getting me? Go ahead and sign up an account and check if there are jobs that you can offer in these platforms that I have just mentioned. So number 4th one that I just mentioned is Crossover. Then we also have the 5th one, which is top. This one is a very popular one which has been for a while, and this is work like a freelancing platform. They post job where you can offer complete those jobs that are being posted by content creator, or maybe those people who need their job to be completed. And if you are a developer, this is a good platform for you. If you're a developer, a graphic designer, maybe you are US designer, you are UI designer, this platform is a very good one for you. Or maybe you are a graphic designer, it's a very good platform for you. Or maybe you are into a full stack engineering web developer, this platform is a very cool one for you. So you can just come to this platform, sign up an account and start working with them. And this platform, as I did my research, I discovered that they pay even up to $1,000 doing completing job on this particular platform. So you can, if you're a developer, you are not getting a client, because most of the problem most of us are having that we have a lot of skills which we are not making money from it because clients are not coming. But if you're smart enough, after watching this video, you can just go ahead and start implementing all of this. Look for platform that related to your skills, sign up an account and begin to complete job on those platforms, and they're going to pay you massively. So this one is the 5th one. So we'll see the 6th one here, which is the freelancer. Freelancer is a very popular one. Most of us know it. A freelancer platform is where a lot of jobs being posted. A lot of jobs, millions of jobs are posted in this platform called Freelancer, where you need to just come, sign up an account and begin to complete those jobs. But the disadvantage of Freelancer platform is that the competition is very high. You get me? The competition is very high as a beginner. If you are a beginner, the competition is very high. So I must tell you the truth. If you want to go into Freelancer platform, majorly the competition is very, very high. It's very, very high. And you can see there are so many jobs that have been posted in this particular platform. So many jobs that you can do. You can see get work done in over 2,700 different categories. See, web design, research writing, mobile apps, article writing, Android apps, and so many jobs that you can complete in this platform. You see link building. So whatever your niche, whatever the skill you have, you can come to this platform, take advantage of it, begin to offer these services that are listed here, and they're going to pay you massively. So another one is people per hour. Though I've tried this people per hour some times ago, actually I was not actually active. Are you getting me? So people per hour is another freelancer platform, which you can just come to offer some services. Are you getting me? If you have a services, you can list it. If you don't have a services, you can take advantage of the services people have listed, and they have so many category services. You see AI services, technology and programming, writing and translation, designing, digital marketing, video, photo and image, business, music and audio, marketing and branding and sales. So many services that you can come down here to offer. Then we also have another popular one, which is called Fiverr. Many of us know Fiverr. No Nigeria who does not know Fiverr. So on Fiverr, you can just come and offer so many services that you can offer. You see tending, graphic designing, you see program and text, digital marketing, video and animation. So many skills. So all you need to do, just come down here, sign up an account, and you begin to offer any of these services. Like I told you that the last two that I'm going to show you, you must not miss those last two, because it can be a form. Those two platforms can be your game changer for you. So we also have Upwork. Upwork is just like Fiverr. It's just like people per hour. It's just like freelancer. That all these three platforms I just mentioned recently, they work the same. So you can just come down here. You see a lot of services that you can offer as a routine job. You offer it, and the amazing thing is that you can even work part-time. You don't need to work full-time. You can work part-time, and you can use your phone to do all of this stuff by yourself. Then another one we have on our list is Indeed. Though this Indeed is not popular because so many people don't know about it, but you can take advantage of it. Are you getting me? You can take advantage of it. You can see the one they just posted, the job they posted recently, Herbalist and Melsim. I see it, heading sand, so counseling, routine jobs. So these are the kind of platform that you can just come in and take advantage. You can see jobs that just been posted recently. All these jobs were just posted recently, and you can take advantage of all of these platforms and begin to work from home. As a sit-at-home mom, you can take advantage of them. You begin to work from home, and they'll be paying you your money right here in Nigeria. Then another one that is that is not too common to so many people is RoutineOK.com. RoutineOK.com is another platform where you can be aired. Are you getting me? To do one of two things. And in this platform, the cool thing is that you can work as an engineer, you can work as a software developer, you can work as a management, you can work as a lead generation, you can work as a designer. So depending on what kind of job you are looking for, are you getting me? You can work as a virtual assistant, look at language instructor. You can work as a language instructor, maybe African language, European language, any kind of language that you can speak. You can speak French, whatever language you can speak. You can come down to this platform, sign up an account, and begin to offer your service. So you need to do, come down here and click and apply. Are you getting me? You apply, you get started, and you can see that they are verified already, meaning that these ones that are paying. Are you getting me? And this was listed just one day ago. Are you seeing it? So these are platforms that you can actually apply as a routine job and begin to work from. There are so many. You can just see a lot of them. There are so many, and this one that I just posted just one day ago, that you can come in and begin to work from this platform. So we also have WeWorkersRoutinely.com. WeWorkersRoutinely.com is also a platform where you can also come and offer your services if you are looking for a job to do. If you are looking for a job to do, you can also come down to this platform, and you can see that there are some jobs that are listed recently. This one is paying $100 for this job. Are you seeing it? They are paying $100 for this job. You see forex trade, forex, crypto and trade routine job. You see they're paying $75 to almost $100 on this anywhere in the world. So there's no restriction. All you need to do, just come down to all these platforms, look for the one that are aligned to what you can do, to the services that they can offer, and get started. You can work as a full-time, you can work as a part-time. All depends on you. So another one is Roti.com. Roti.com is all about things that has to do, maybe you have a app or a software you are good of reporting review. You can come down here and also get started with this. And they also pay where they pay around $30 to $55 from this platform. And these are the things you can do. So like I promised you that the last two I'm going to show you are very powerful one, which so many of us have been ignoring, which is number one is FaceJob. FaceJob is another booming one which is so popular, but many people do not know about it. So you can take advantage of this particular one and begin to use it to earn money for yourself working from home. So they are paying very well. This platform is 100% legit. I'll show you on that. So the last one is called Testbeds. Testbed is also paying for testing the UIs and UI. If you're a developer, so all you need to do, come down here and begin to take advantage of this. So if you get value from this video, make sure. So guys, these are 15 routine platforms that you can just go ahead and test them for yourself. Look for the particular one that aligned to what you can do, the services you can offer, the job you can complete, and go ahead and sign up on any of them. Are you getting me? So if you have a question for me, don't forget to use the comment section. And if there's any area you want me to improve, or you want me to share content, maybe you're having a particular challenge, you're doing any stuff online and you're having a particular challenge about it, just comment it at the comment box below and I will make a video for you just because of you. You know, anything for you guys, anything for you, I will do for you. So if you have any challenge on a particular stuff you're doing online and you don't know how to figure it, or you want me to make a video on a particular stuff online, just leave the comment for me at the comment box and I'll go ahead and make a video for you on that. Anything for you. So guys, if you get value from this video, just subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn the notification button, so when I make videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And if you get value here, don't forget to share the video with your friends also on social media so that others will get to watch this video. So before I end the video, my name is Osakwe Nesenuchina and I make videos around making money online, affiliate marketing and blogging. So guys, I will see you again in the next video. Cheer up.